Welcome to the channel, everyone. Today is going to be a little story time for you guys. The title of the video is going to be something like how I accidentally made thousands of dollars on YouTube. And that's not clickbait, that's the truth. I'm going to show you exactly what happened and how I actually made a pretty tidy little sum of money on YouTube pretty much by accident. It's actually pretty exciting. I started looking at numbers today. I didn't realize how well I had done with this strategy, but done quite well. So first of all, I need a little bit of backstory. My main occupation, the main way that I make money is by buying stuff and then selling it on eBay. That's the main way that I make money. I have other things that I do too, including YouTube, but the main source of income is eBay. And a lot of times when I'm selling something on eBay, especially like electronics or something mechanical, or something that plays music or something like that, I would take like just a couple minute video just to demo it. And then I would take that video and then I would put a link to it in the eBay listing. And I'll show y'all. Here's one right now that I have. I actually made this listing today for this jam box, and it was important for this one, and you can see the link to it here. It was important that I make a video for this one because it had some quirky stuff going on with the cassette part, and I wanted to show potential buyers exactly what it was doing. And I find that video, especially on something that's electronic or mechanical, the video enables me to get a little bit more money from buyers because they know the thing works. Like, they see it. The video says way more than anything I could ever write in the description. So I've done this for years, probably since about 2016 or so. I had a channel, which I'll go back to this channel here. This channel is called Shed Flips now, but back in the day, back in like 2017, I think is when I started this channel. Let's see. No, 2016 I started this channel. And the whole reason I started this channel was simply to have a spot to put my demo vids. And this channel was called at the time eBay product videos, something like that. And the only thing I would upload to this channel is little short demo clips. And when I say short, I mean they would be up to 5 or 6 minutes sometimes, but I would just about always use my cell phone. I'd record the video, and then I would go straight to the YouTube app, and without doing any kind of edits or anything, I would just upload that video directly to YouTube. It would take, the whole process would take, say, 10 minutes per, sometimes less. And then I would use that to insert the video into my eBay listing. Now, I did have the foresight to turn monetization on, thank goodness. But when I was looking today at a lot of these videos that are on this channel, a lot of them have gotten views every day since they were uploaded. Some of them 10 views, some of them 50, some of them are 100. We're going to take a look, and we're going to see exactly how much each one of these videos has made. Now, I also must say that a few years ago, I did turn this channel from a eBay product channel to, I actually was like uploading like daily content to it, doing live streams at first. That was the reason I started using this channel. It's kind of like a secondary channel I have several channels. But I did end up like actually using, making a real YouTube channel out of this. That's why it has the 37,000 subs now, and it's got a different name and everything. And I'm actively uploading. I don't put product demo vids on it anymore. But anyway, let's take a look. So here's an example of one that I did today. Here's one I did a while back. It's a player piano, little music box, and I just show it working or whatever. So that's how I use it. Now, let's get to the videos. This is fun. So I have, as you can see across the top, I have a ton of tabs pulled up. Each one of these is a video. So this is a video and I have them ordered by number of views. This is just a camcorder. You can see right here, Sony DCR, whatever model number. And since I first uploaded it, it's gotten 76,900 views, and it's made $144, which is really low CPM. However, it's a short video. It doesn't have mid-rolls. The average watch time, average view duration for this video is only a minute and 20 seconds. YouTube search, and this is going to be the case for most of these videos. It's evergreen videos here, meaning it's organic YouTube search is driving just about all the traffic. I see some browse stuff here too, suggested videos, whatever. That might be where somebody searched for the same camera, watched somebody else's video about it, and then my video popped up on the side as a recommended video next. I think that's the only reason why the YouTube search percentage here isn't like 100%. But you can see I've made $144 on this video, and in the past 48 hours it's gotten 108 views. So it's still making money. Now, how much money is it actually making? If we go on a per day thing, oh, it had a big, let's see. You can see, like, some days it makes 5 cents. Some days it makes 13. Sometimes I'll have a big day, I'll make 29 cents. Oh, there's a 43 in there. There are some really big spikes. I don't know why. Like some days a few days, I think I've actually made, oh, you can see from this chart, I've had actually one day, the whole time that video's been up, where it made more than $1. Just about, like, I would say 99% of these days here are less than 50 cents per day. You'll also notice there's a gap here. This was when YouTube changed the monetization rules. You had to have like 1,000 subscribers. And from the inception of the channel up till this point right here, I did not have 1,000 subscribers. Reason is because I was using it. I did have some subscribers, but I was using it just as a demo channel. So let's keep moving. And like the part that makes me really excited about a lot of these, yeah, this has made $144 so far, but it's making more money every day, and I haven't done anything with it in, what is that, 4 years? So it's pretty powerful. And when I did make this video, it was simply a tool to help sell this camera. So I sold this camera probably for $70 or so, something like that. Never thinking that I would make way more than that just on the demo video itself. And like I said, it's one shot, one take, 5 minutes. Probably took another 5 minutes to upload. And, you know, I have 10 minutes into making that $144. And this video actually had benefit for me on eBay. Here's another video camera, $166 on this one. It's still getting about 35 views a day right now. And it's been uploaded, yeah, for over 4 years. So you're not going to see like huge money days or anything like that here. And here, like, here's another one. Like, most of these days are under 30 cents a day. But after a long time, and if you have a lot of these videos, it just adds up, right? $128 on this, is that a fish finder? Yeah, it's a fish finder, I think. Here's a little micro cassette thing, $79.66. I promise you, I probably didn't sell this cassette recorder for more than like $30 tops. Still getting 25 views a day. This is a GPS. Ooh, it's hurting. Well, I say it's hurting, but it's still getting 14 views a day, and I don't know, it might be making half a cent a view, something like that. But again, it's only getting like a minute and 10 seconds watch time. The video itself is only 2 minutes and 12 seconds. All this stuff I'm showing you sold on eBay a long time ago too. This is a great thumbnail, isn't it? Well, how many people watch this? 26,000 views on this video. It's made $63. Here's a DSI, I think, $21. And you can see all of them have that big gap here of about a year where the channel wasn't even monetized. So these numbers should be even bigger. Cash register, $67 I got for that video. 2-minute video. $47 for is that another fish finder thing? I think it is. This is an electric typewriter. I probably sold that typewriter for about $60, $70, I bet. 2-minute video just showing it type. Who is watching these videos? 20,000 people have watched a video of me typing random words on this typewriter. I don't know why. I don't know where they're coming from, but they're watching. What is this? Oh, this is a combo unit, like a DVD recorder thing or something. Here's a laptop. Only $15 on this one. Some of these videos just don't make as much as others. Like 18,500 views, only made $15. Still getting views though. And even though it's only made $15, it only took me, maybe I had 15 minutes into this one because it's an 8-minute video. But 15 minutes, probably made $1 a minute for that. Another micro cassette recorder. And here's another typewriter. I guarantee you I did not sell that typewriter for more than $99. And wait, how many? And that's still getting like 18 views a day. Here's another cash register, $83. This one, okay, I did include some of these. This is a cool little Sony Jambox, and it definitely helped sell the radio. But you can see something happened here. It got a copyright claim. I probably played a radio station for too long, which is a mistake. And yeah, I made a few cents. I made $1.50 on it, and then YouTube said I couldn't monetize it anymore. So it wasn't a strike or anything. Like the channel wasn't in jeopardy, but they did make it to where I could not be monetized. What's that? Another typewriter, $25, $16 for a VCR, a DVD player. Here's another cash register. It's amazing what people will watch. A micro cassette recorder. There's a handy cam, and every now and then I see like comments like, well, how do you do this function or that function? Like they think, I don't know, they like, or they want to buy the thing. Hey, do you still have this for sale? And it's like a 4-year-old video. I'm like, sorry, I haven't had this for quite a while. This is a cool Bowers and Wilkins radio thing. I did a 4-minute video on. It's made $26. So not all of these numbers are like huge. $27 for testing this joystick thing. Not all the numbers are huge, but oh look, this one got copyright claimed right away. It's playing the radio on it. But they're still just all ticking along, making a few pennies, 50 cents, 30 cents a day, each one of them. Here's another. The typewriters, and this is another typewriter. The typewriters are popular, aren't they? Maybe I need to deal with more typewriters. $84 for that video. $17 for that stereo. I probably got smart at some point and started using non-copyright music. That's a little scanner or something like that. Handheld scanner, 3-minute video. $17. Game Boy, $8. VCR, $10. $7 for... Did I really do that? That one may have not been worth it. But you see, like, it's only getting a couple of views now. Still making a little money. I actually have seen some of these. Like, look, on Saturday, June 19th, 2021, a couple of days ago, it made 3 1/1000ths of a dollar. So 3/10 of 1 penny is how much it made that day. But, you know, good with the bad, right? There's another DVD VCR. Another copyright claim. DVD VCR. It's nice DVD VCR. There's a GPS thing. Another camcorder. It's really nice getting this extra little bit of money. And it's super easy too. $16. Like $2.79. I wanted to show y'all some of the lower ones too, just to show they don't always kill it. They don't always make over $100. But if you take all these videos in totality and add all the pennies up together that I'm making every day on these, it adds up. As a matter of fact, the videos that I have on this screen, this is not all of them. I have like probably another 20 videos or so on that channel that made less than the last video I'll show you here. But all these videos that I'm cycling through here together, all they come up to just about $2,000 that I've made just on these demo vids. What is that? Leapfrog tag reader. Okay. And there's so many cases here where the video made more. Now, not with this. This is a Pioneer receiver, where the video actually made more than the item itself that I was selling. I still can't believe how many people have watched a lot of these. And so, and again, if you look like, okay, look at this one. This is some kind of scale vintage. It's like a jewelry balance. YouTube search, 92.9% of the traffic is from that. And like I said, the other traffic is probably from people looking at other jewelers' stuff. And there's a link to it there. So all of this is just organic traffic. That's a TI 99 4A. There's another scale. Some of this stuff, I would kind of go overboard. I would probably... Nobody really wants to see this Jurassic Park guy anymore. And he hadn't made much money either. But we're at the low end now. GPS. But yeah, this has been... Like, it's not a ton of money, but these are videos I was making anyway. Like, this is a big sale for me, I think. This Fluke meter, it's a multimeter. Just being able to show somebody that it works on a video makes me get more money, makes it sell faster, makes my eBay business run better in a lot of cases. So the whole point of making these videos was never to make AdSense money. The whole point was to get these items sold. And this is all just bonus money here. So, yeah, this is the story of how I accidentally made thousands of dollars on YouTube unintentionally, just by trying to improve my eBay listing. So, I hope y'all enjoyed, and I hope, well, maybe some of you guys will get an idea from this. I've actually seen channels on YouTube. There's a guy that he has an elevator thing. Like, he's a fan of elevators. He gets on elevators, films like pressing the buttons and films the ride and how the doors open or whatever. He just films riding on the elevator, and then he puts the model number of the elevator and where it was and when it was or whatever in the title, and he uploads them all. He's got like hundreds of these videos of riding elevators, and guess what? People watch them. They're evergreen. I don't know why, just like I don't know why somebody would watch a video of a camcorder from 30 years ago, but they do. And it's evergreen content. And yeah, these things are still going. These videos might make me another $2,000 over the next 4 years, and I'm still adding more. So just thought I would share. Hope y'all enjoyed the story, and thanks for watching. Bye, y'all.